This presentation was prepared to show the processes involved in the compressor change-out that took place at United Energy Corporation's Cobb Natural Gas Gathering and Processing Facility, located in the northeast portion of the Cherokee Basin, just north of Tulsa, Oklahoma. The following video was taken on November 28 of 2022, and shows the removal of two existing 3-stage compressors, and replacing them with one new more efficient 4-stage compressor. This compressor change-out procedure will reduce overall fuel usage, maintenance and compressor costs by nearly 50%, simply by replacing the two existing less efficient 3-stage compressors with one more efficient 4-stage compressor. The first step in the compressor change-out procedure is the removal of the two existing less efficient 3-stage compressors. Once removed, these compressors will be loaded onto trailers and shipped back to the compressor rental company's Oklahoma City yard. After the removal of the two existing 3-stage compressors, the new more efficient 4-stage compressor will be unloaded from its shipping trailer, put into place, reassembled, and connected to the Cobb Natural Gas Gathering and Processing Facility. Once reassembled and connected to the Cobb Natural Gas Gathering and Processing Facility, the new 4-stage compressor will fully replace the two pre-existing less efficient 3-stage compressors' capacity, with a single more efficient 4-stage compressor with projected operating cost savings of nearly 50%. We hope you enjoyed this presentation, and we want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you may have.